Hello, I'm Darielle, the CEO of BAR Bartender. As a mass communication grad, I've always used my knowledge of mass communication and marketing to promote my business on social media. I became a social media expert through the failure of Cajun Wok lunch delivery. Basically, we built a restaurant from our home. It became such an internet sensation. We were serving hot boxes to Cuero, Hallettsville, all the way through Warden and Bay City. It was a complete success until it became a failure and we had to shut it down. The failure made me realize we nailed social media marketing in a way that could grow so many businesses. Many large companies are eliminating advertisement dollars for content creators that can build social media influence. The key to building your brand is social media influence. Listen, it's 2 billion people on social media for 4 hours a day. Are you reaching them? Are you engaging with them? Do these people know about your business? Work with me and let's make your business the next big thing. Let's build your loyal customer base and build your engagement, build your reach, and build a brand that will last forever. Options that you can choose from depending on your budget. If you have a low-end budget and you can only spare $50, we have an e-course for you can learn how to use social media influence to grow your business by yourself. We also have a step-by-step class, South Texas Influence, which is a group where we give you everything you need to do for you to be successful in your social media influence. And lastly, if you have a larger budget, we have 4 different packages that range from $150 to $500 weekly, where we take care of all your social media needs. That's right, we'll do the marketing for you, we'll engage with your customer base, and we will build your social media